gonna do a my Elsa's chest, but it's not already Elsa's chest because it's sticker of Barbie and it's color pink and it's diamond. It's not color blue. So let's get started. So guys, first I have this cute little chest. I think it's jewelry box because accessories of Elsa is here. Here is her crown. Here is her, think it's her necklace. It's her cute little necklace. And it's have a diamond. And it's beautiful and it's shiny if you check it like this and this glass and this shiny diamond. And next is this flower. It's sculpted Barbie. It's cute. It's color red and white. These cute little flowers, really cute. It's two because it's Elsa and Anna. And here's Elsa's crown. It's color blue with this little, wait, I want this, wait guys, it's this, to clip it to Barbie. And next is this key of Barbie. It's key for her new car, and it's really cute. It's black with the little diamond and key. And it says cookie. Next is to the her bag. This is her bag. If she will be going the mall, it's really cute, pink with this color violet with these stars. It's have this hole. Wait, like this hole. You can put it her jewelry, her dress, her t-shirt, or anything else. And next to her little t-shirt, or jacket, I think. It's color, it's gold. I think it's tiger's little dress. And it's really cute. You can put it to her bag and put it here. Wait guys. Hey! And here we go. And I put the dress it right now in the bag. Okay, next I will show you my jewelry bag. Okay, it's color pink. It's color pink with diamond. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. And it's little cute little silver right here, and you can put it. And here's a glass. glass. Elsa and Susie see herself in the glass. I mean in the mirror, and it's really good. And next, I will this crown. I will put here. Elsa's necklace is right here. Elsa's Anna clip is right here. Elsa's key in her new card is right here. Her bag and her dress is right here. Okay, it's finished, guys. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe this video and comment down below if you have any request of video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.